On November 10, 2024 at the Zhuhai Airshow, China officially unveiled its latest unmanned surface vessel USV, the killer whale, also known as the Orca. Developed by the China State Shipbuilding Corporation (CSSC), this cutting-edge trimaran drone ship represents a significant step forward in China's naval capabilities, designed for a broad array of military and operational tasks. Key features and specifications. The killer whale measures approximately 58 meters in length and has a displacement of about 500 tons. It is engineered for high performance with a maximum speed exceeding 40 knots, approximately 74 kilometers per hour, and a range that surpasses 4,000 nautical miles, around 7,400 kilometers. The ship is powered by a dual diesel and electric propulsion system, enabling it to operate autonomously in open sea conditions for extended periods. Design and operational capabilities. The killer whale is designed to carry a diverse range of weaponry, including anti-ship missiles, anti-aircraft missiles, and torpedoes. One of its standout features is a landing pad for helicopters, significantly enhancing its operational versatility. This vessel is characterized as an all-round warrior capable of conducting surveillance patrols, anti-submarine operations, air defense missions, and rescue operations. Its modular mission packages allow for reconfiguration according to the specific demands of various missions, a concept drawing parallels to the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship (LCS). Comparison with other vessels. Military analysts have drawn comparisons between the killer whale and Indonesia's Kluang-class fast attack craft. While both vessels exhibit similarities in design, the killer whale is highlighted for its superior dimensions, payload capacity, and operational range. Its trimaran configuration offers significant advantages in terms of reducing radar visibility, thus enhancing its stealth capabilities. Context and strategic implications. The unveiling of the killer whale aligns with China's broader strategy of modernizing its military and naval forces. Analysts suggest that Beijing aims to position Zhuhai as a central hub for countries interested in acquiring Chinese military technology, showcasing its advancements in unmanned naval systems at a time when global attention on such technologies in warfare is intensifying. Timeline of events. Early 2024. The killer whale was first spotted at the Guangzhou shipyard. November 10, 2024, the vessel was officially unveiled at the Zhuhai Airshow, generating substantial media interest and coverage. Summary of sources. 1. Maritime Executive. This source emphasized the vessel's modular capabilities and operational versatility, likening it to the U.S. Navy's LCS while noting its unmanned designation. 2. South China Morning Post SCMP, focused on the ship's specifications and potential as an independent operational unit, highlighting its long-range capabilities and multifunctional design. 3. YouTube Defense Central provided an overview of the vessel's stealth features and capabilities, reiterating its radar evasion design. In conclusion, the introduction of the killer whale underscores China's commitment to advancing its naval technology and enhancing its military capabilities through innovative unmanned systems. As the maritime landscape continues to evolve, the integration of such vessels could redefine naval operations both regionally and globally. The unveiling of China's killer whale and unmanned surface vessel USV at the Zhuhai Airshow in November 2024 is a significant moment, reflecting the country's advancements in military technology. However, there are several counterintuitive aspects to consider regarding its implications and design features. 1. Unmanned yet human-centric design. While the killer whale is categorized as an unmanned vessel, it features a prominent wraparound bridge deck that allows for human watchstanders. This contradicts the expectation that unmanned systems would be entirely devoid of human presence. This design decision suggests a hybrid operational model where humans still play a role in monitoring and decision-making, which might indicate a phased approach to full autonomy in naval warfare. 2. Comparison with U.S. Navy's LCS. Analysts have noted similarities between the killer whale and the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship LCS, particularly in the concept of modular mission packages. However, the U.S. Navy has struggled to operationalize this concept effectively. The counterintuitive element here is that while the killer whale adopts this concept, it is being positioned as a more agile and versatile platform. This raises questions about whether China has learned from the LCS's challenges and is better prepared to implement such a system successfully. 3. Strategic implications of unmanned vessels. The introduction of the killer whale aligns with a global trend towards unmanned systems in military operations, suggesting a future where naval conflicts could be increasingly fought with drones. This notion counters traditional beliefs about naval warfare, which often emphasize the need for manned vessels. The killer whale's capabilities challenge the long-held assumption that larger manned ships are inherently more powerful or effective in naval engagements. For stealth and visibility, the trimaran design of the killer whale is intended to reduce radar visibility, enhancing stealth capabilities. This is counterintuitive because one might assume that larger vessels would be easier to detect. The design's effectiveness in this regard challenges conventional wisdom about the relationship between vessel size and detectability, showing that innovative design can mitigate traditional disadvantages. 5. Market positioning. The strategic aim to make Zhuhai a hub for countries seeking Chinese military technology reflects a counterintuitive approach to defense exports. Typically, advanced military technology is closely guarded by nations for national security reasons. However, China's willingness to promote military technology on a global scale suggests a shift in how military power is projected and a new paradigm in international military sales, which could disrupt traditional alliances and military balances. 6. Operational flexibility versus complexity. While the killer whale is marketed as an all-around warrior with capabilities for various missions, the reality of operating a highly modular and complex unmanned system could lead to challenges in execution. The expectation of operational flexibility may be countered by the logistical and tactical complexities of managing such systems effectively in real-world conditions. 7. Public perception and military deterrence. The public unveiling of the killer whale at a major airshow serves to bolster domestic and international perception of China's technological prowess. This contrasts with the often secretive nature of military developments in other countries. The counterintuitive aspect here is that by showcasing such technologies openly, China may be aiming to deter adversaries through transparency rather than through the traditional veil of secrecy that has characterized military advancements. In summary, the killer whale unmanned surface vessel embodies several counterintuitive elements, from its hybrid operational model to its strategic implications and market positioning. These aspects challenge traditional notions of naval warfare and military technology, underscoring a transformative moment in the landscape of global defense capabilities. The unveiling of China's killer whale unmanned surface vessel USV at the Zhuhai Airshow on November 10, 2024 marks a pivotal moment in naval warfare and technology that many observers may overlook. While the report provides extensive details about the vessel's specifications, capabilities, and strategic implications, several key aspects warrant deeper exploration due to their potential impact on military dynamics and international relations. 1. Modular mission packages. One of the most significant yet understated features of the killer whale is its modular mission capability. The report notes that the vessel can be reconfigured with different mission packages, a concept reminiscent of the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship (LCS). However, the U.S. has struggled to effectively operationalize this capability. This aspect is critical because it reflects an innovative approach to naval warfare that emphasizes adaptability and versatility. The ability to switch between operational roles, such as anti-submarine warfare, surveillance, and rescue operations, could allow the People's Liberation Army Navy plan to respond more effectively to diverse threats and scenarios. This flexibility is especially crucial in the context of modern naval conflicts where the nature of engagements can change rapidly. 2. Stealth and radar evasion. The trimaran design of the killer whale is another notable feature that might be overlooked. Its streamlined form is not only a design choice but plays a significant role in reducing radar visibility. as naval warfare increasingly relies on stealth and detection avoidance. This design could give the killer whale a significant advantage over more traditional vessels. The implications of enhanced stealth capability should not be underestimated. They could allow for covert operations in contested waters, potentially altering the balance of power in regions such as the South China Sea. Moreover, as other nations develop countermeasures to conventional surface vessels, the killer whale's stealth characteristics may pose unique challenges to adversaries attempting to monitor or engage it. 3. Long-range autonomous operations. The killer whale's operational range exceeding 4,000 nautical miles, approximately 7,400 kilometers, is another critical detail that deserves attention. This capability allows it to operate far from shore, giving it the potential to conduct prolonged missions without the need for direct support from other naval assets. This is significant in the context of China's broader strategy to extend its influence in the Indo-Pacific region and beyond. The ability to deploy autonomous vessels for extended periods could enable the plan to conduct surveillance, reconnaissance, and even strike missions without risking crewed vessels, thus minimizing potential casualties and political repercussions associated with losing manned ships. 4. Implications for military technology exportation. The report highlights Beijing's ambition to establish Zhuhai as a hub for countries interested in acquiring Chinese military technology. This aspect is crucial for understanding the geopolitical ramifications of the killer whale's introduction. As countries around the world seek to bolster their maritime capabilities, the availability of advanced unmanned systems from China could reshape regional power dynamics. Nations that may be wary of U.S. military technology due to political or economic factors might find the killer whale an attractive alternative. This shift in arms purchasing trends could lead to a more diversified global military landscape with implications for alliances and defense strategies. 5. The shift towards unmanned warfare. The unveiling of the killer whale underscores a broader trend towards unmanned warfare in naval operations. While the report notes that this is part of a global shift towards autonomous systems, the significance of this transition is often understated. As militaries around the world invest in unmanned technology, traditional notions of naval power and warfare are being challenged. The killer whale's capabilities could serve as a model for future naval vessels, potentially influencing the development of similar systems in other countries. This shift raises important questions about the future of naval engagements, including the roles of human operators versus automated systems, ethical considerations in warfare, and the potential for new types of military strategies focused on unmanned platforms. 6. Strategic deterrence and power projection. The strategic implications of the killer whale extend beyond its operational capabilities. By introducing such advanced unmanned systems, China is signaling its intent to enhance its military deterrence and power projection capabilities. The killer whale can be seen as a response to perceived threats in the region, particularly from the U.S. and its allies. This development may prompt a re-evaluation of naval strategies among regional powers, potentially leading to an arms race in unmanned naval technology. The ability to deploy advanced unmanned vessels could shift the balance of power in favor of China, complicating the security landscape in Asia and increasing tensions in key maritime areas. 7. Regional and global reactions. The unveiling of the killer whale is likely to elicit varied responses from regional and global powers. Countries in the Indo-Pacific region may view this development with concern, particularly those involved in territorial disputes with China. This could lead to increased military spending and a push towards developing their own unmanned systems. Conversely, nations seeking to enhance their defense capabilities may explore partnerships with China, potentially altering existing alliances and defense agreements. The reactions to the killer whale's introduction highlight the interconnectedness of military advancements and international relations, where a single technological leap can have far-reaching implications. Conclusion. In summary, while the report on the killer whale unmanned warship provides a comprehensive overview of its capabilities and specifications, several critical aspects may be overlooked. The modular mission capability stealth design. Long-range operational capacity implications for military technology exportation and the broader trend towards unmanned warfare all play significant roles in shaping the future of naval warfare and international relations. Understanding these dimensions is crucial for grasping the strategic implications of China's latest naval advancement and its potential impact on the global military landscape. As nations adapt to these developments, the nature of maritime conflict and deterrence will continue to evolve, necessitating ongoing analysis and vigilance. 1. Technological advancements and specifications. The killer whale's advanced specifications, including its trimaran design, maximum speed of over 40 knots and a range of over 4,000 nautical miles, highlight significant technological advancements in naval warfare. The dual diesel and electric propulsion system allows for operational versatility and long-term deployments, which is crucial in modern naval engagements. The ship's ability to carry various weaponry, including anti-ship and anti-aircraft missiles, enhances its role as a multifunctional combat platform, marking a notable evolution in unmanned surface vessel (USV) technology. 2. Modular mission capabilities. The killer whale's design incorporates modular mission packages reminiscent of the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship (LCS) concept. This capability allows for reconfiguration based on mission requirements such as surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and air defense. However, the operationalization of such modularity has historically faced challenges, raising questions about the effectiveness and practicality of implementing these systems in real-world scenarios. Analyzing this aspect can provide insights into the future of naval warfare and the potential integration of unmanned systems. 3. Strategic implications and global positioning. The introduction of the killer whale aligns with China's broader military modernization strategy, particularly in the context of increasing global attention on unmanned systems in naval operations. By unveiling this vessel at the Zhuhai Airshow, China aims to position itself as a leader in military technology and attract interest from other nations. This strategic move not only enhances China's naval capabilities but also reflects its intentions to establish Zhuhai as a central hub for military technology exports, influencing regional and global military dynamics. For comparative analysis with existing vessels, analysts have drawn comparisons between the killer whale and Indonesia's Kluwang-class fast attack craft, noting both similarities and differences in design, payload, and operational capabilities. This comparative analysis sheds light on the implications of the killer whale's stealth features, such as its reduced radar visibility due to the trimaran configuration. Understanding these differences can provide a deeper insight into how the killer whale fits into the larger context of naval warfare and the evolving landscape of unmanned maritime systems. 1. The introduction of the U.S. Navy's LCS Littoral Combat Ship. The U.S. Navy introduced the Littoral Combat Ship program in the early 2000s, aiming to create a versatile and modular surface vessel capable of addressing various missions in shallow coastal waters. The LCS was designed to support anti-submarine warfare, mine countermeasures, and surface warfare, with a focus on modular mission packages that could be swapped depending on the operational requirements. However, the program faced challenges, including difficulties in operationalizing its modular capabilities and criticisms regarding its effectiveness in combat scenarios. The LCS has undergone several iterations and improvements but has encountered significant hurdles in realizing its intended multifunctional roles. This mirrors the unveiling of China's killer whale, which also emphasizes modular capabilities and diverse operational tasks but has yet to demonstrate its effectiveness in practice. 2. The German Navy's K-130 Brunswick-class corvettes. The K-130 Brunswick-class corvettes, introduced in the mid-2000s, are designed for a range of missions including surveillance, reconnaissance, and anti-surface warfare. These corvettes are characterized by their stealthy design and advanced technology, including the capability to operate unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). Similar to China's killer whale, the Brunswick class emphasizes versatility in roles, allowing adaptation for various maritime tasks. Both vessels reflect a broader trend in naval warfare towards smaller, multifunctional ships capable of operating in diverse environments. 3. The Royal Navy's Type 31 frigate. The Type 31 frigate currently being developed by the UK aims to offer a flexible and adaptable platform for modern naval warfare. Designed with a modular approach, it can be equipped with different mission systems including anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine warfare capabilities. The Type 31 is intended to support a wide range of operations from humanitarian assistance to full combat scenarios, paralleling the multifunctional role of China's killer whale. The emphasis on modularity and versatility in the Type 31 highlights a contemporary shift in naval strategy similar to the developments seen in the killer whale's operational capabilities. These historical cases illustrate the ongoing evolution of naval warfare and the increasing reliance on versatile, modular vessels that can adapt to a variety of missions in response to changing threats and operational needs. The unveiling of China's new unmanned surface vessel USV the Killer Whale at the Zhuhai Airshow in November 2024 marks a significant milestone in naval warfare and reflects broader trends in military strategy, technology, and international relations. Here are predictions and insights regarding the future implications of this development. Enhanced naval capabilities. The introduction of the killer whale with its advanced features such as a trimaran design, a maximum speed of over 40 knots and a range exceeding 4,000 nautical miles positions China to enhance its naval capabilities significantly. This vessel is expected to play a crucial role in extending the operational reach of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan in various maritime scenarios, particularly in the South China Sea and beyond. The ability to carry a range of weaponry, including anti-ship and anti-aircraft missiles, will enable it to engage in diverse combat roles, thus allowing China to project power more effectively. Shift towards unmanned warfare. The killer whale exemplifies a broader shift toward unmanned systems in military operations. As nations increasingly recognize the advantages of unmanned platforms, we can expect a rising reliance on such technologies in naval warfare globally. The integration of the killer whale into the plan is likely to accelerate the development and deployment of other unmanned systems, paving the way for a new era of naval engagements characterized by enhanced autonomy, reduced crew risks, and cost-effective operations. Impact on global naval dynamics. China's advancements in unmanned naval technology, highlighted by the killer whale, could reshape global naval dynamics. Other nations, particularly those in the Indo-Pacific region, may feel compelled to enhance their own naval capabilities in response. This could lead to an arms race in unmanned naval vessels, prompting countries to invest in similar technologies to maintain balance or gain a competitive edge. The killer whale's introduction may also push the U.S. Navy and its allies to accelerate their own unmanned vessel programs to counter the growing capabilities of the plan. Strategic partnerships and export opportunities. The killer whale's unveiling aligns with China's ambition to establish itself as a global leader in defense technology and an exporter of military hardware. As stated by military commentators, Beijing aims to make Zhuhai a hub for countries interested in acquiring Chinese military technology. This could lead to strategic partnerships with nations looking to enhance their naval capabilities, especially those with limited resources. The killer whale could attract international interest, potentially resulting in sales agreements that would extend China's influence in the global arms market. Technological innovations and future developments. The modular design of the killer whale, which allows for reconfiguration with different mission packages, suggests that future developments in unmanned naval technology may focus on versatility and adaptability. As military technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate the introduction of more sophisticated unmanned vessels equipped with cutting-edge sensors, artificial intelligence, and enhanced stealth capabilities. The ongoing research and development in this field could lead to the emergence of next-generation unmanned surface vessels that significantly outperform current models, including the killer whale. Challenges and operational limitations. Despite its advanced capabilities, the killer whale may face operational challenges, particularly in complex maritime environments. factors such as electronic warfare, cyber threats, and the potential for countermeasures against unmanned systems could limit its effectiveness. Future developments will need to address these challenges, ensuring that unmanned vessels can operate effectively alongside manned platforms in multi-domain operations. Evolving naval warfare tactics. The integration of unmanned vessels like the killer whale is likely to result in the evolution of naval warfare tactics. Commanders may increasingly rely on swarms of unmanned vessels to conduct missions employing tactics that exploit their numbers, speed, and stealth. This could lead to new operational doctrines that prioritize the use of unmanned platforms for reconnaissance strike missions and force multiplication, fundamentally changing how naval engagements are conducted. Conclusion. The killer whale represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of naval warfare, showcasing China's commitment to enhancing its military capabilities through innovative unmanned systems. As nations globally assess the implications of such advancements, we can expect shifts in military strategies, international partnerships, and technological developments. The future of naval warfare will likely be defined by an increasing reliance on unmanned systems, leading to new operational paradigms and strategic dynamics in the maritime domain.